Hello all, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss creating a simple portfolio tracker using Python. So for that, it's like a stock portfolio. Here is the code, we'll explain it later. First we'll run this code. Now it's running. See, you can see a graphical representation of stock values. So this different stocks, Google, Microsoft, Apple, and based on the year how that stocks prices vary, that portfolio value here. So this is all based on stock. So we need yfinance. So this actually one of the famous module already we discussed, and we created a video about this. So if you have any doubt about this yfinance, that is Yahoo Finance library or the module, you can check that video. I will add that video in description section. Then next is pandas. That is, we know that common library we are using. And for the graphical representation, we are using this module matplot library. This is actually graphical graphs, writing graph we are using this. So these are the main three modules we are using. So in case if you didn't install this module, just you have to install using pipe install, and you have to type just name pandas yfinance and matplot library. So that's what that will install. Next is we'll go through the course. What is happening here? This is the main, and we have here defined the portfolio for the stocks. So here this is the stock and the respective weight. This Google, Apple, Microsoft. Different weights were given. So this is the basic data we are given. If you want to add one more stock, you can add after this. So we know that this. Then start date, end date should be start from Jan 2022 and to end on Jan 23. So next is we need to fetch historical data. Each stock in the portfolio. So for each we have already three stocks. Or each stocks we have to get the historical data. For that we are using get historical data. That's a function we defined here. What it is doing is, we know that yfinance is Yahoo Finance. It will download historical data of a particular stock. So we have to get the stock and the start end date in a given range. So it will get the stock data of all the values. Then we are getting only adjust close. We having start value, close value, or there are a lot of value will be available, but we are returning only adjust close value. Next is we got, so one by one we are going stock, weight, portfolio items, and first you'll get it for stock APL, then stock data into weight we'll find out and we'll store in that. Same way for Google we'll do that. We'll get the stock data for the Google and we'll store that by multiplying the weight. So based on each weight we'll add. Then we'll find out the sum, total value of that. Here we are just printing the latest row of the portfolio data. Next is we have this data and we are defining one more function, plot portfolio. That is actually here only we are using that library, plot library, that graphical representation library. So we have to define the title of the graph, that is title, then x label, y label, and show. So it will show when you pass this argument, and show means automatically show. If you want add title, label, and y label, you can do this. X label and y label I show you. This x label, this y label. So that's done. It will plot dot show means it will show. This is actually the model we used. So plot portfolio